MACD indicator is a lagging indicator. If you are a low-risk trader, this indicator is good for you. 3 golden keys of MACD indicator. 1. Histogram. When the histogram is above the zero line, the trend is upward. When the histogram is below the zero line, the trend is downward. 2. MACD line and signal line. When the MACD line breaks the signal line from the bottom to the top, this is a buy signal. When the MACD line breaks the signal line from top to bottom, this is a sell signal. When the MACD line breaks the zero line from bottom to top, the market becomes bullish. When the MACD line breaks the zero line from top to bottom, the market becomes bearish. 3. Divergences. When we have several highs or lows in the same direction. But in the MACD indicator, the directions are not aligned with the price.